Turning back to the big story this morning, the storms that are hitting the Houston area right now.
And this morning we are hearing reports of a possible tornado that tore across Trinity County. And that reported tornado is responsible for this house collapsing early this morning and for overturning several cars and an off-road vehicle. We're also seeing video of trees torn straight out of the ground, knocking down power lines up to our north.
That is all part of this deadly system that ripped through Nebraska, Iowa, and Oklahoma. We're told at least 4 people were killed in Oklahoma during the storms, including an infant. The preliminary report from the National Weather Service says an EF3 tornado was responsible, packing winds of at least 136 miles per hour. Well, there is still a threat for severe weather in states to our east, but for conditions in our area and getting the very latest weather updates, just text the word weather to 713-526-1111. We'll text you back some helpful links.